everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in Lake Gentry, is right behind me over there. I'm gonna be trying out in the water the Saturn SD385. Right now I'm finishing up prepping it, inflating it. I want to show you guys something real quick before I even get started. I want to show you how tough this thing is. Currently standing on it right here. Here's the floor. This is the inflatable floor. I can bounce on it. Just in case you guys are concerned how tough this inflatable floor is, it's really tough. I mean, it keeps the boat completely stiff. Now, usually you have to inflate the floor to 10 psi and it gets really stiff. To my personal taste, I bring it to 9 psi. Again, that's my personal taste because I like it to be a little more nimble in the water, so when it hits the swells, it just goes right through them. But that's my preference, okay? Just to let you know, it's tough. It's really tough. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up inflating the keel. I gotta inflate the keel, put it in the water, and show you guys what it's all about. All right. Okay, so right now I have the boat set up on the dock. I got the motor warming up. A few details before I get started. This is a 13-footer. I'm going to be using a 6 horsepower Tohatsu with a 7.8 by 7 propeller, so in order to push a big boat. Although it's a small motor, it'll push it nicely. You guys will see it'll get into plane real nice. So right now I'm gonna head to the lake and show you guys what the motor is all about. I brought my cooler, which you can sit on right there if you bring, you know, like 2-3 people. I got a chair. I'm gonna show you guys once I set it up. You can chill and relax. All right. Okay, right now I'm moving out of the no wake zone. Leaving the dock. Alright, once I head to the main body of water, I'll show you guys what it looks like getting into plane. Alright. Okay, I have reached the main body of water and I'm about to go full throttle. You guys gonna see the nose go up. And in a few moments, we're gonna hit plane. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah! Very nice. Yeah! We're moving nicely. I like it. Woo-hoo-hoo. We're moving nice. All right. I think it's time to get the drone, put it in the air, and show you guys what it's all about. Okay, I believe I was able to get some good shots of the drone. Something's going on with my drone. Some of the sensors are acting up, so I wasn't able to get some of the shots that I wanted. Nonetheless, I think I got some good ones. Now I want to show you guys the rest of the boat here in the water. Obviously, you got two seats. gonna sit over here. There we go. You can actually bring a cooler, sit down on it. Although the water's a little shaky and sitting on a cooler might be a little dangerous. I might fall. Nonetheless, you can. That's for sure. I brought my my beach chair. I'm gonna put it up, see what that looks like. Oh, this is nice. I got my beach chair. Right here. It's relaxing, huh? Might get a fishing rod and just go it out and start fishing. I'm not much of myself of a fisherman, more of an adventurer. But nonetheless, this boat is pretty nice. Let me show you guys a little bit more of the real estate from the front. Let me move the chair and sit on it. Alright, so right now I'm sitting at the very edge of the boat. And here's all the real estate you have. Because that'll give you a different perspective. You can see it, you know, standing outside, but once you're in it, it's incredibly spacious. Look at all this. Alright. Oh man, this boat is fun. Well guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. It is a very comfortable boat. 13 feet is plenty, to be honest. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later. Bye.